Hey guys, it's Wild80. Well, I'm recording this because figured you guys would want to see a video of me doing some work to the door system here. I'm doing quite a bit of work. So I'm plugging you in so the iPad doesn't die. Yes, you can see a header bracket away over there and a door arm. Well, I got an opener for free from a job the other day, and I was gonna hang it up there and just set it on top of the ladder. Let's do that, but tallest ladder I have without using the extension, extension ladder, it's not high enough, so I'd take those down. But what I did off camera, because I just had this idea. Screw you. That was flashlight. I added more lag bolts to the board that it's on, that it's attached to, because when it was down, it was when it was closed, it was twisting quite badly, like it was fixing to rip out the wall. So I put more lag bolts in there. It is tight. It ain't going nowhere. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset my limits because it's lower because the door arm bracket, I lowered it because before I had it mounted too high. So it's threw my limits off. So I'm going to reset that, and then I'm going to disconnect the opener from the door. I'm going to set my vice grips on the tube so I don't lose my cable tension. I'm going to unwind both springs, slide them apart. I'm going to put a few more lags in the board that the springs are on, because it's only got like 3. So I want that to be more secure as well, because it's obviously holding onto the spring. And the reason it doesn't have as many is because my old impact the battery did not last very long. So now that I have a good strong impact new one, I can finish it. I can now do this. So here we go. So you're obviously not going to see me at this for a second, because all I'm doing right now is resetting my limits. Make sure my sensors are lined up. There we go. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I wanted it to be lower, so I put there. Let's go down a little. Perfect. Down. Now setting it down. Also, I want it tight enough to where it will reverse, but I don't want it too tight to where it puts a lot of strain on everything. That should do it. I love this Switch-Guitar Plus. And hit alarm button once, twice, and run it down. Pretty much what I'm doing now is resetting the force, how much muscle it needs to move the door up and down. Which it really shouldn't change much, but it's just part of the process. And back up. This is now learning how much muscle it needs to move the door upward. And one more time. Make sure I hit the right button, because this is the one out of my car. This number 2 goes here, number 1 goes to Legacy. Beautiful. Okay. Let's disconnect that. I'm gonna remove the door arm. The reason I'm removing the door arm, even though I'm not removing the actual opener, is because it just gets it out of my way. Actually, you know what? Instead, do this. So just so it really is out of my way. Let's do this. Oh wait, what am I doing? I'm not really. Oh wait, duh! Ha! My brain is. Yeah, you just saw me have a brain moment. Go. Oh, it's really on my way. Okay, now let me hit the button here. There. Hit the button. And hit the button. And all right, hit the button to keep the light on. Let me get vice grips. To hold tension on the big cables, so I don't lose my cables. Because the tube itself doesn't need a slide. It's just the springs that need to move, so I can so I have room to. So I have room to and more bolts to the board. Good thing I did that. Bars a little bit. Glad that set screw held on. Otherwise, I would have gone free spin right in front of my face. Shut up, asshole. That would be some reason one of my smoke breaks in my collections does that. I don't understand why. So let's get back to this here. Anyway, besides the smoke detector doing its little asshole, I'm gonna scoot back just a hair more, and just a little bit too close to my comfort level. There we go. Makes it go quicker. What's that? 9/16. Where's my 9/16? So I have to use a gear wrench because I don't know my 9/16 thing is for this. Come on. I don't have a 9/16 for the socket or for my impact. Otherwise I would use that, but I don't, so. That's why I'm not. Some are wondering if I'm going to remove the galvanized spring, put the other oil tipper back on. No, because like I said, I'm going to wait till it breaks, because I want to see how long it takes. It surprisingly hasn't, it's lasted a lot longer than I thought it would. My daily uses. So. Slow that down. Slow that down. We're good. Okay. Steel bearing. Okay, cool. Now that those are apart and I have some more room to work, some more flags, and put them up there so that's more sturdy. So let's see what I have. The toolbox. The toolbox. I have one. Two. Let's see here. And now I only have two because so other adapters. So I need my 16, which I know this is not. No. I'll find more. Let's see. Other adapters. Hold on. I'm trying to find my 3 adapter, and I just had it too because I was using it. 3/8 adapter. Here it is. I knew I had it. I just feel more confident. Feel better. Feel better if put that down. Feel better if either there's more and they're nice and tight. There's more volume in here and they're a lot tighter. That's some 16ths. I don't know why I have a half. I don't need it. Oh, that's why. Because, crap, where's 27/16, just have it, there it is. The reason I had it is because when I lowered the opener, see about moving the bracket. Because I don't like how part of the bottom of this was didn't have anything underneath. That should do it. Can you not do a little S? That'd be great. Really? Asshole? Oh, it'd be helpful to have it in forward, that's why, because I'm trying to put it in reverse. That wouldn't not help. I think. Yeah. That would help, do you think? If it wasn't in reverse. Let me find my other goes up there. Here it is. There. Alright, well that's done. And that board ain't going nowhere. That board, unless I can find another some 16th or so lag. Or something like that. I think. Let's see here. If not, because then I think, then I'll be like, I think that should be. Yeah, that's about it. I think that should be good enough. Okay. Now, let's put the springs back. Come on, there. Come on. There you go. There. What I was doing there was I was looking to make sure it's even from forward and back. Yeah. Put right there, I'll do it. See if I have another 9/16. Guarantee at least something like that, so I can hold one end of the bolt one, tighten it, because I also can't use vice grips as well. They're up there. So that's a nice 16th. You feel sweet. Where's the work? Shirt's nice and tight. This is why you need to invest in 9/16 socket adapter that'll work for my, not socket adapter, thing for the impact. This is why. But listen, now this is what I can work with. Uh-oh. Alright. Well, it's secured back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use my big bar. Just for the giggles. And we're gonna bring on the spring. Here we go. Half. One. 1.5. 2 3/4. 3 3/4. 3.5. 3/4. 4. 6. 2. Touch. 1. So we're going to switch back to my other ones because these are just a bit long for doing half. Half instead of quarters. So. Vice grips because I don't need them. Back just a hair more. Hold on, sorry about that. Grease on my arm, but that's fine. We'll be taking a bath in a little bit anyway, so. Lost count. Overcounted. That happens. Feels better. That's it, hitting the arm. Let's go ahead and add a quarter turn. A little bit of grease off my arm. On the door. I know I didn't stress this one. I'm not going to because wow. 2. Because like I said, 1 is a break, so as long as it doesn't break a mine while I'm here, I'm fine. If it breaks tonight, cool. And if one was asleep, Hooked, I know. Rehooked the opener. Let's see what the opener thinks. How it is. And the thing went where? So I saw it. Oh. Impact. There you are. I was looking for the walk thing. There it is. Of course. So the over, thanks. Sure, cables are good, cable's good, cable's good. Right? Yep. Okay. Or one of the longest videos I've made. Today, so that's fine. Right. I may have that center bracket up just a hair bit too high. Crap. Oh well. I'm too lazy to deal with that right now. One more time. I may have that hair too high. Whatever. Wake up. Reset. Alright, now that that has reset, hopefully. Alrighty, so hope you guys have enjoyed. I'm gonna go take a bath. I need to take a bath. And tomorrow, I get my COVID shots. Finally. So, I need to take a bath and change clothes. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you next time.